this is pallu in pink shade, and there is a tissue in the upper and lower. In pallu you can see the Rajasthan design with pink combination. In between you can see the jari also, and this is blouse. Blouse is plain with pink combination. In blouse also with tissue, and in blouse you can identify, see regular in one there is a one line with copper sulphate combination. Up also you can see what line of 1 inch with copper sulphate line, and this is a complete saree. It's a rare combination. With purple and pink combination. It's very special design. This thread will be completely different. This saree is named as Drilled saree with purple combination with Navratna design. When you wear this saree, it doesn't folds. It gives more life. It's purple combination with Navratna design, and in between you can see more colors with yellow combination and green combination with bota, small bota, and tree combination with pink and yellow with white diamonds with flowers. There are so many colors in the shades. And this saree cost is 15,500. It's given more life. When making of this saree, it takes more time, around 1 month. And this is one more saree. Before that video you have seen with tissue border, and this is kaddi border. This is blue pallu with wave design. In between the design you can see with green combination. This is kaddi border, lower kaddi border, and this is upper kaddi border with blue combination. And this is blouse with pink combination, blue combination. In blouse also you can see kaddi border. This kaddi border is 5 inches with blue combination, and this is complete saree with mustard yellow with blue combination. Middle of the saree you can see with blue dots, when lotus design with red combination. And this is complete saree. This saree cost is also 15,500. We are having a website on the name of Vikas Handlooms. Our website is www.vikashandlooms. Our contact number is 99591 95299. And this is very special saree. It's more expensive saree. This is pallu with Rajasthan design. Middle of the pallu you can see with jari lines between this design, and this saree it don't have border. And this is blouse with red and maroon combination. In this saree we don't use jari. This saree it makes 1.5 months making for this saree, and this is complete saree with yellow and maroon and pink red combination. Border you can see with peacock design. In this design you can see with mustard combination, red combination and green and white combination. This is very special for our Vikas Handlooms, from our Vikas Handlooms. In this saree we don't use jari. And this saree cost is 18,500. Only jari is used in pallu. For remaining saree on we don't use jari for this. And this is one more design. This is pallu with temple design. With royal blue combination. And upper you can see small jari border. This is bottom with 12 inches cutty border, and you can see 3 types of thread design in the border, upper and lower with cutty border, and blouse is also with checks. This is blouse with royal blue combination with cutty border. And this is complete saree. It's copper sulphate with royal blue combination with complete jari. In jari there are 2 types of jari. Closer you can see this is 2 types of jari. It's a box design. Between these boxes you can see a tree design with yellow combination, red combination and white. And this saree looks like a crushy design. This is completely crushed design. And when you wear this saree, it doesn't fold. It's look very pretty saree. And this saree cost is 18,500. This is also special from our Vikas Handlooms.